Alright guys, I'm back with an unboxing. It is Black Clover Season 1 Part 3 Limited Edition. Part 3 comes with the collector's box. Here you have the front. Wizard King. I forgot what his name was. Asta. Midnight Sun. Some of the captains. Here's the front. Top. By the way, yeah, I already did take out that little box thing right there. There's the top. Other side, Black Bulls. Spine. Bottom. Yeah. Look at that. Alright. And by the way, first season box is kind of a little bit too big. Well, I mean, it's the perfect size, but Funimation made it where you have like a little extra space right there. I'll show you when I unbox part 5 or whatever. Or, anyway, here's the front. You have Noel. Come on, focus. Focus, camera. There we go. You have 10 to 29. 10 to 29. 20 to 29, sorry. Yeah, right there, you can see that. 20 to 29. There's the spine. Other spine. Back. Let you read that if you want. Hands are shaking. Don't know why. Region A and B. Oh yeah, front. Basically the same. Digital code. I think this one has all the captains, I believe. Yep, all the right there's all the captains. Blurry 1 has episodes 20 to 25. Blurry 2 has episodes 26 to 29. DVD 1 has episodes 20 to 25. And DVD 2 has 26 to 29. Alright guys, that was my unboxing of Black Clover Season 1 Part 3 Limited Edition. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.